What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. And today, Tuesday, June 17th, we have the flash sales for the week here at Costco. For those of you who don't know, I like to put out the flash sales every week on my channel. That way you can stay up to date with all the greatest deals here at Costco. And here's a pro tip I do want to share before we begin the video. We have the Harry's razor blades, $8 off, $19.99. The only issue is this deal does expire today. We have the Listerine, $4.50 off, bringing the price down to $9.99. Tomorrow, Costco's coupon book does come out on the 18th. Now, here's a pro tip. Since the coupon book is coming out tomorrow on the 18th, what Costco likes to do, some stores, most stores, they like to bring the inventory to the front of the warehouse. Not every single deal, but a lot of deals are going to be available in the front of the warehouse. So what they do is they set the store up, they put the price tag to the sale ends like the day before, like today, the 17th. So tomorrow morning when the store opens, all they got to do is just change the tag and all these items are in the front of the store ready for the customers to buy. All right, friends, let's get on with the video. I did want to share that little pro tip. In the number one spot, we have the licensed beach towels. These are fantastic. I grabbed a couple of more for some presents. These are 63 by 34 inches. We have the Spider-Man, we have the Bluey, and we also have the Hello Kitty. We have three different unique designs here. Now, these are 100% cotton, which is excellent. They have the embroidered design on them, which is even better. So these are a nice high quality, and the price is the best thing out of everything. Check out that price. $3 off, only $8.99. In the number two spot from MSI, we have their 27-inch IPS monitor. This is their gaming monitor. Pretty nice hertz here, 2560 by 1440. It does have 170 hertz refresh rate. It's NVIDIA G-Sync compatible, HDR 400. Now this is a pretty decent monitor. It's a 27-inch. It's not a 4K monitor, but it's still a good gaming monitor. Now today, they're taking $50 off the price. Same price as Costco.com, $149.99. And look what we have right above it. We have the very popular Acer. This is their 15.6-inch portable monitor. Very nice reviews on it. IPS screen, 60 hertz refresh rate. Looks pretty nice, very, very slim. Now, it does have a 6 millisecond response time. It's not on sale anymore, but it is $79.99. In the number three spot, another product from Acer. This time we're looking at their Nitro curved gaming monitor. Also 2560 by 1440 resolution. This one does have 180 hertz refresh rate. A lot nicer, 31.5 inches. Now this does have that zero frame design as we saw. Now this is a pretty nice monitor, I do have to admit. It's a curved design. The only problem is it doesn't have an IPS display, so keep that in mind. But they are giving us a decent discount, taking $30 off the price, $219.99. Now, my favorite monitor here at Costco is the LG Ultrafine 4K monitor. It's a little bit more money, but the monitor is beautiful. I have three of these at my house. Look how crisp that font is. Let me zoom in on that Microsoft Windows logo. You can see there how crisp it is. I'm not sure if it's coming through on my camera, but let's go back to the Nitro. That way you can see the difference between the two. Now, the LG is amazing, but I did hear they just put up the price, so be aware of that. I think it's over $300 now, to be honest. And now moving on to the number four spot, we have the Lifetime. This is their 165-gallon modern deck box. They have the color gray here at the warehouse. If you don't like the gray, they have brown available at Costco.com. Both of them look pretty great. The reviews are decent. I did get a couple of viewers who complained about the top warping, so keep that in mind. Now they are taking $30 off the price, bringing it down to $119.99. If you purchase it at Costco.com, it goes for $169.99. And for the ladies, in the number five spot, we have the very popular Kinsey. These are their knit sandals. They look fantastic. We have two different color variations to choose from. Plenty of sizes available as well. Now the colors, we have the black right in front of us. These knit sandals look great. They also had a white version as well, but I didn't film it. But these are on sale. They're taking $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.99. In the number six spot from Tupperware, we're looking at their extra large food storage container. It does have a 1.5 gallon capacity. It's BPA free, has a flexible lid with a large tab. Now it does fit a rotisserie chicken in it, as you can see. Now me, I really didn't like the item. It felt a little bit cheap in my opinion. This is more an item you should buy at Target or Walmart. Here at Costco, I would expect something a little bit better. The price is okay, decent, but I feel like you would get a better deal at Walmart, $9.99. And if you're tired of buying paper towels, maybe you want to cut back, check out this item in the number 7 spot. We have the Swedish dishcloths. Now these are amazing. All you gotta do is wet them a little bit and you can pick up any types of spills. They're super absorbent, so they work very, very well. After you're done, you add a little bit of soap, you rinse them out, and then you squeeze them, let them air dry. They dry in about 30 minutes, maybe an hour. These are amazing. They're reusable. You get a 12 pack here, $3 off, only $9.99. And now from South Point in the number 8 spot, we have the queen size sheets and we also have the king available. This is a 6-piece sheet set. Very nice, multiple patterns and colors available. This is a great price. The queen size, $15.99. They are taking $4 off the price. If you need the king size, $20.99. In the number 9 spot, we have the very popular game Plinko. Finally, it has dropped in price. Great reviews online, very fun game. It's just a little bit on the expensive side. Now, I know a lot of adults like to play this because it does bring back some great memories. This is also great for the ages of 6+. It's an interactive gameplay, has lights, has sound, it's compact, it's convenient. What's great about it is it has a nice durable all-weather construction, which is great. Bring it outside, why not? Use it outside. Now, they do give you 20 chips included. Let me try again, that was a bad one. If I hit the 10,000, you gotta hit the thumbs up. And here we go, 10,000 it is. Hit that like button. Let's try again. If I hit it twice in a row, you got to leave a comment below. If I hit it twice, leave a comment as well. Boom, 10,000 once again. Now they are taking $20 off the price, bringing it down to $74.99. You can pick it up at Costco online, shipped to your house for only $79.99. In the number 10 spot, we have another hot seller here at Costco. We have the faux 23-inch tulip arrangement. Now, these are pretty awesome. They have the wire inside, so you can bend them and arrange them how you want. They also include that beautiful ceramic vase that does have a double-handed end to them, which is very nice. This is on sale. Check out that price, $17 off, bringing that price down to $29.99. It's also available, if it did sell out at your local warehouse, you could pick it up at Costco.com for $34.49. And once again from DPS, we have their gaming desk back on sale. It's 60 inches in length. Now it is made out of a composite wood, but the top has a laminate on top, and the top has a nice pattern to it. It's a carbon fiber pattern, has a steel base, so it is quite heavy, so keep that in mind. Now they also have a nice LED light strip that's built into the desk. Now you can control that light strip with your phone, with the app. Very nice price here. They're taking $50 off the price, not bad at all, bringing it down to $99.99. Now, if you do want to step your security game up, you don't want to use Nest, you don't want to use Blink, you don't want to use Ring, and you want something a little bit better quality, but you still want it to be wireless, check this one out from Eufy. Now, this is their solo cam, the S3. Now, this does have a pan tilt feature to it, which is pretty amazing. Has a solar power built into it, no monthly fees, which is great. You can pick it up here at a $20 discount, bringing that price down to $129.99. Here we have the Philips Sonicare back on sale again. We're looking at their Optimal Clean. This is their rechargeable electric toothbrush, and it does come in a 2-pack. That's pretty great. Now, they claim it can remove 10 times more plaque removal than a manual toothbrush. Today, they're taking $30 off the price. Now, we do have 2 different colors. We have a baby blue and we have a white. $30 off the price, $69.99. Also available at Costco.com for the same price. If you're in the market for purchasing an area rug, don't forget about Costco. Costco does have some pretty nice rugs at a great discount. This one right in front of us, this area rug, we do have 3 different patterns. Plenty of rugs available at Costco.com as well. They're taking $30 off this price, bringing it down to $119.99. Now, I do feel some people might get a little bit annoyed because I keep on mentioning Costco online. I'm just trying to give the viewers an alternative option to purchase things. I know some people live far away. It's just easier to do click, 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 and then have it shipped to your house. Some people have disabilities, so be aware of that as well. In the number 15 spot from Tramontina, we do have their ceramic non-stick. This is a 12-piece cookware set. They do include some utensils. Now, I'm not a fan of the set. It has some pretty decent reviews. It's only oven safe up to 350 degrees. So keep that in mind, but it is compatible with all cooktops, $109.99. And the number 16 spot, now check out this product from Pure Luxe. Now this is their memory foam rollout lounger. Now they do have a sample on display here. It is 2 inches thick, very easy storage here. Now it's very durable as well. Same size as a twin size mattress, 39 by 75. 3 different colors to choose from. Now this is a very lightweight product, easy to transport. Put it in your car, take it with you hiking on the road. You can roll it out anywhere, catch some Z's. Now if your boss is out for the day, take this with you to work. When he's not looking, put it out right on the floor. Take a nice nap, relax. Now they are taking $15 off the price. It's available at Costco online, $44.99. Here at the warehouse, you can pick it up for $39.99. In the number 17 spot, this time from Kohler, finally we have their new sink kit on sale. They're taking $100 off the price. Now this sink kit does include an 18 gauge sink, which is nice. It's a single bowl, 9 inches in depth. You also get that nice industrial style faucet. So you also get the bamboo cutting board. You get the rolling drying rack up. You also get the stainless steel sink rack and the sink drain as well. All this is included in the sink kit. They're taking $100 off the price, bringing it down to $299.99. Now you can undermount this or you can top mount. You can do it both ways. And to my left, also from Kohler, in the number 18 spot, if you're not a fan of the industrial style faucet, check this one out from Kohler. We're looking at their Guild. Now this is their pull down kitchen faucet. It does have a 3-function spray head. Now the spray head is not actually on display, just the unit is. Now this is the industrial style faucet to my left. Now the Guild right in front of us, they're giving us a great discount, $50 off the price, bringing it down to $109.99. Another hot seller here at Costco, back on sale again. In the number 19 spot, we have the Trinity. Now we have their stainless steel utility sink. This is a great sink because it does include the faucet, everything you need to hook it up. It's 18 by 16 by 13, $50 off the price. Now it is a 16 gauge sink, which is great, nice and heavy duty, stainless steel, exactly what you want. Now the faucet it is 1.8 gallons per minute, $50 off the price, $219.99. We do have a couple of items here we went over before. Let's go over them very quickly. We have the rolling cart. This is on sale, extra wide, fantastic price. I did have a lot of comments saying, check this out to see if they have it at Michael's, but now it's on sale and Michael's cannot beat this price. This is an amazing price for this cart here. We also have the Meguiar's Tire Shine. If you don't like the spray, get this one. This is the foam tire shine. This one I do like. I like the foam instead of the spray. Very nice. So both of these are on sale. We get the rolling cart. We got the tire shine. Let's have a look at the price. $10 off the rolling cart, bringing that down to $29.99. The 3-pack of tire shine, $11.99. And let's take a walk around. Let's have a look at the bakery, see if we can find anything on sale. Now, I do believe there's some bread on sale. Let's have a look at that from Pepperidge Farm right in front of us. We have the buns available. Hardy White, we do get a 12 count here. Now, these are great. They're on sale. Now, let's have a look at the macros at the back. 210 calories per bun, 34 grams of carbs, 9 grams of protein. It does have 3 grams of added sugar. Now, this is the Hardy White. You do get a 12 count here. They're taking, I believe they're taking $120 off the price, excuse me. Let's have a look at that sign. $120 off, bringing it down to $3.39. And then for our gluten-free viewers, directly behind me, check out this deal. You're going to love it from Canyon Bakehouse. Fantastic deal. You get a 2-pack here. Each pack is 16 ounces, so 1 pound. So a total of 2 pounds per package, which is pretty great for the price. From Canyon Bakehouse, 100% gluten-free. This is our 100% whole grain bread. 80 calories per slice, 15 carbs, 2 grams of added sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Might as well take $2 off the price, $6.99. Now, I'm pretty sure some of my viewers are going to get pretty excited with this gluten-free bread. Gluten items are hard to come by. Before you run down to your local Costco, grab that item number. I do provide it in every item. Look it up on the app or call your local Costco before you do head down there. I don't want you getting disappointed on my behalf. We have the chocolate French crepes, Ricky Bobby. These are on sale, $3 off. Great price for a 20 count, $5.49. Just call your local Costco or check it on the app to make sure they have it in stock and make sure they sell it as well. As most of you know, when it comes to some of these unique items, some of these international items as well, not every Costco is going to sell them. Now, right in front of us, we have the Life Vest on sale. We got it for our little ones. We have it for our youths. They're taking $6 off. Even the adults at $31.99. All of them are on sale. Grab them before they're gone. Also, once again from Pepperidge Farm, in the number 25 spot, we have their Milano cookies. These are the double dark chocolate, 2 times the chocolate, and we do get a 30 count. Each package has 2 cookies in it, and we have a fantastic price. No need to go over the macros. You already know what they are. $3 off the price, $8.69. In the number 26 spot for the men, if you are looking for new dress socks, check these out from Cole Haan. These are pretty awesome. Now, we do have 2 different color variations. We have the black, and then we have the mixed color variation. You have navy and gray. These are great socks. 6 pairs per package here. Now, they're from Cole Haan, so they do got a nice stretch to them as well. Fantastic price. Look at the quality here. These are fantastic. 6 pairs per package here. Now they are nice and smooth. Check out that price. They're taking $2 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. And don't forget, friends, tomorrow Costco's new coupon book does come out. It's going to be an exciting video, very, very fast paced because it is going to be quite long. So we have so many different products to cover. I like to put it all into one video, so it's going to be very fast paced. So stay tuned for that tomorrow night. We have so many new fantastic deals here at the warehouse. A lot of price reductions with products. I see some prices are coming way down, I feel like. And we have a lot of big discounts as well. So that's going to be super fun. All right, friends, end of the video here. I know a lot of people like to see the shopping cart at the end of the video. So we are going to end the video. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do put out the best Costco content every week. I just hit my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. I finally completed 1 year, so that's pretty fun as well. So hopefully do gain a lot more subscribers. If everyone enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe, hit the thumbs up, follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. And yes, we are going to do a new giveaway. Stay tuned for that very shortly. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, with a new Costco video. Costco's coupon book deals tomorrow. Stay tuned for that. Hope everyone enjoys their night. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video. Peace.